The virtual lab and hands-on training in cybersecurity is very important for any student that they will join any kind of cybersecurity training. We encourage everyone to work by their hand. In another word, I'm sorry for my language, make your hand dirty with so many kind of um, scenarios. You will be the attacker, which is the red team. You will be the defender, which is the blue team. You need to create the attack. So if you create the attack, you know the technical perspective how this attack happened. At the same time, if you know this knowledge, you know exactly how to stop it. Um, Virtual lab is something that you will install in your computer. You will do it by yourself from A to Z. Um you'll have different system to work with. Somebody will help you for sure, the instructor or some assistants will be there for you. But the virtual lab itself is something is necessary for any kind of cybersecurity analyst. Even if you are not a student, also you will be continuously working with the virtual labs because you need to see something virtually in a lab before you put it in production environment.